Life is easier when you have skills like programming, writing, and data analysis. You can make a good living and still have time for family and fun. But failure rates in skill courses are high. One reason is that skill teaching isn't as good as it should be. Researchers have figured out a lot about how to help people learn skills, but their findings don't make it into the classroom. We aim to change that. The Dolphinity project has two goals. First, make skill learning more effective and efficient. On the learning side, students get value from every hour and every dollar they spend learning skills. No busy work. On the teaching side, only use people time for things that only people can do. Use computers for everything else. The second goal is about a business model. We want to help people make a living by sharing their skills. Authors can give away their work or sell access to it. If they sell access, they get 100% of the revenue, not 5% or 10%, all of it. This means that authors can charge low prices, serve small market niches, and still make a living from their work. This business model will help the Dolphinity Way scale across hundreds of different skills in a financially self-sustaining way. How do we do this? We start with people who want to share their skills. We help them learn about skill learning, something most people, even experienced professors, don't know about. Then we give them open source software they can use to create dolphins. A dolphin is a website with content and software optimized for skills courses. Dolphin is an acronym for Skill Learning Principles, all of which are backed by research. A dolphin replaces textbooks and lectures in a course using the flipped teaching model. This isn't entirely new. Years ago, Kieran Matheson, a geeky professor-type human, spent a couple of years learning about learning. Then he made CoreDogs, a website for learning how to make websites. CoreDogs has been used in university courses for about 4 years, mostly at Oakland University in Michigan, but also at Claremont in California. You can try CoreDogs yourself. The trouble is, Kieran wrote CoreDogs for his own use and for his own students. Non-geeks would have a hard time using the authoring software. They'd hurt themselves on its sharp edges. CoreDogs needs to be rewritten for other people to use. Here's what the Dolphinity project will deliver. First, a guidebook. It will explain course design principles that emerge from learning research, like deep learning, outcome-based learning, and formative feedback. Second, open source software. It will be a rewrite of CoreDogs. Authors use the software to write dolphins that implement learning science principles. Courses using the dolphins get all that chocolatey learning science goodness. The third component is a community of people who create and use dolphins. The community is just as important as the other components. That's the project in a nutshell. We help people use learning research to make skill learning effective and efficient. We offer a business model that will encourage educators around the world to create dolphins on their own topics in their own languages for their own audiences. We're not starting from scratch. We're building on software and learning methods that have been around for a while. Please help us make this project a reality. Support our Kickstarter project. Spread the word. There's more information at dolphinity.com. Thanks for watching.